Alright, YouTube, this is what remains of the shack. Got it gutted out. It's as crooked as it looks. You can even see the wall moving over there with the wind. But this is going to be the last video of the shack before I tear it down. So I thought I'd give you all a quick peek at it. Just how bad the floor is. Let's see. There you go. That's how rough it is in here. You can just see how crooked everything is, and it's literally only held up by the kickstands now. Like this entire wall on this side is just floating here. I mean, that's it, all the way. This wall's just floating. So, I'm about to start ripping things apart. Last thing I gotta do is pull down Old Glory where I have it hanging up. I might save these 3 good windows. Maybe. Actually, I have 4. I'll save a couple of them because they might be useful still. Now I'm going to start stripping things out. Cut the electrical off. It's the next big thing. But yeah, that's going to be your last video of the shack in its current condition.